Welcome to AI Innovations. Today we are going to understand what is color theory in UX UI. Let's explore together. Have you ever felt instantly calm on one website and super excited on another just because of the colors? That's the power of color theory in UX UI. In this video, I'm showing you how you can choose right color for your website, your designs using psychology, accessibility principles, and a few easy tools. So let's get into it. Let's understand what is color theory. A color theory is both science and art. It set the rules, guidelines that designer use to mix, match, and apply the color. In UX UI, it's not just beauty, it's about communication. Colors tells us where to look, what to click, and how to feel. They create an emotional reaction and guideline. Like, look at this, guys. If you see here, let me show you how color theory helps us. So if you see here, I'm using um I'm using this, okay? Now, if I change just color, just color can enhance this whole. Now this looks, and even the background color, if I change it to something different, it will look more better. Now, brown and cream combination looks much better. So this is what color theory is all about, and we're going to understood everything about it. So now you have understood what is color theory. Let's move on. Why color matters in UX UI. Good color choices enhances usability, and which helps the users to navigate faster, recognize interactive enter elements, and build trust with product. Each color carries a meaning, guys. If we see blue color, we will know it's for trust and calmness. If we see red, it's for alert and danger. Green color, it's for progress, health. You can use it for successful messages or payment. And yellow color means attention grabbing, and the white color means simplicity and cleanliness. Let's understand the color categories. So these are our color categories. Now let's understand. There are three types of color categories you already might know: secondary, primary, and tertiary. Red, yellow, blue. They can't be primary colors which cannot be mixed. Secondary colors, I have two primary colors. To create secondary colors like green, orange, we need two primary colors. And tertiary colors means blue, green, red, orange, and yellow, green. Okay, this is how the three categories are here in this thing. It matters because it builds a balance. You know what to pair and what to avoid and how to create a hierarchy in your design. Now let's understand the color harmonies. Harmonies are the trusted combos that make the color look intentional. They are music chords of design guide that visual mood of your interface. Now harmonies are of four types: monochromatic, analogous, complementary, and triadic. Now let's understand everything. Monochromatic is tints and shades, which is for with monochromatic harmonies are used for minimal design or calming UIs. Here you can see what monochromatic means in this whole image. Monochromatic means a minimal color. We are used and with different tints means we are using same color, just shading is different. Here is dark purple. The whole color contains purple. Just here there is dark and here it's light. Same here, dark blue. Same here, dark blue and light blue. This is called monochromatic. Okay, this is known as monochromatic. Okay, now moving on to the second thing, that is complementary. Complementary are two colors used here in complementary. Complementary colors are opposite on the wheel, are totally opposite. Orange green, this is complementary. This is a complementary color. Okay, opposite on the wheels, blue plus orange, which is means high contrast, used for button and need to pop. Now triadic means evenly spaced color: red, blue, yellow. They are playful, vibrant, and need a balance. See here, you can see here monochromatic is used different shade but four in different. Now let's see the screen. This screen has used monochromatic form. Can you see why? Because there are one color but two shades. But here you can see It's triadic. Tri means three colors. Tricolor flag we have. Three colors. Blue, red shade with shading and also yellow. So this is triadic. Three colors used in a one script. Psychology of color in UI. What the psychology, as I already told you guys here, that blue color, every color holds a meaning. Blue is for trust and calmness. Orange is for fun energy. It is used in Duolingo. Green, which is growth and money. Apps like Robinhood or finances or wellness apps use this color mostly. Orange. Now let's understand the next thing. Accessibility and contrast. This is low contrast. Okay. This is very low. You can see this looks so dull. But in the other hand, if we see this, guys, if we see this, you can totally see the contrast is so good. It's looking very, very attractive. Okay. Now, Figma contrast checker or plugin. If you want to know what is your contrast is perfect or not, you can use tool like Figma contrast checker or plugins like Able help to test that instantly. Avoid color only indicator. Avoid color only indicator. And test with color blindness stimulators also. Now use text, labels and icon patterns. So when we use accessibility and control how things will look, let me show you. You can see payment success or message reached successfully. Your settings has been saved. See the contrast, everything just looking proper, right? It's clean and amazingly. Okay. Now let's move to the real UI examples and quick tips, which is our last part to understand the whole for our color theory. This is a banking app, okay? Here you can tricolors have been used here. Green, white and blue with some monochromatic effect. Fitness app, orange here, monochromatic, one shade but two colors have been used. Vibrant orange plus bold red for high energy, which is motivating and alternating. This is how colors are used. Now for good evening meditation app, you needs calm and soft gradient colors, which needs low contrast, okay? You can see low contrast, low light color have been used here, which will create a relaxing and emotional comfort in that app for the users. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Bye.